What is the Internet of Things?
The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of physical objects connected to the Internet. These objects, like appliances, vehicles, and sensors, collect and share data with each other. In simple terms, IoT makes everyday items smart by allowing them to communicate over the Internet without direct human input.
How does IoT work?
IoT devices have built-in sensors or software. They gather information such as temperature or location and send it over the Internet. This data can then be analyzed or used to make automatic adjustments, like turning on lights when you enter a room, all without needing to flip a switch yourself.
Examples in daily life.
You may already use IoT without realizing it. Smart thermostats adjust your home's temperature automatically. Fitness trackers record your steps and sleep. Smart refrigerators can remind you when you're low on groceries. All these devices use the Internet to work smarter for you.
Why is IoT important?
IoT makes life more convenient and efficient by automating everyday tasks. It helps save energy, improves health tracking, and streamlines city services, like traffic lights or waste collection. IoT is also transforming industries from farming to manufacturing by providing real-time data and insight.
The future of IoT.
As technology advances, even more objects will connect to the Internet. This creates opportunities for smart homes, cities, and new ways to improve safety and comfort. While privacy and security are important to consider, IoT's impact on daily life and business is expected to keep growing.